You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this curious word, the name of this plant and flowers. If you want to learn more plant names and more vocabulary in English that's confusing, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you coming up. Rhododendron. Let's break it down. Rho, don't worry about the H, it's not doing anything. I think it's the Latin or maybe Greek origin of the word. Doesn't do anything for the pronunciation. So rho, de, a schwa sound here. Rho, de, not rhodo, rhoda. Den and drun. Rhododendron, stress on the den syllable, as you've heard. How to pronounce English pronunciation. Rhododendron, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.